Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we have got 3 Madam Glam parcels to get through. Now I just want to apologise for these going out so late. Because I had to rush out of town over Christmas for a few days, I got myself a little bit backed up. Because I didn't know which one to record first, I thought I'll just show them all together. So this one is Madam Glam's December collection called House of Reflections. Guys, look at these stunning glittery ones. Look at those. They're beautiful. So we've got Inner Light, Enchanted Blue, Magic Night and Tinsel. So that's December's collection. Then we've got some gorgeous hollows. Guys, look at these labels. Look at those. Beautiful. So we've got Sticky Toffee, Lovesick, and we've got Sugar Cookie. And then we've got this mini, which is called Stardust. So the minis are 3.5 mils. And then these ones are, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that because it's so hollow, the camera don't want to pick it up. So yeah, these ones are 15 mil. But the minis are exactly the same gels, they're just in smaller bottles. So they are still vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and Hema free. For those of you that's not heard of Madam Glam gels, guys, Madam Glam gels are amazing quality. And then in this last one, we have got something that I'm well excited for. So this is, oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that either. So it's the Madam Glam Silver Chrome Liner Gel Paint. Well excited to try this. And again, this is vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and Hema free. So pretty much good for anyone to use. Well excited to try that. So because there's so many gels for us to get through today, guys, I am just going to give them all a swatch and we're going to take a look at them. And then I shall be using them anyway. So you'll see me doing different designs with them. I've already got my swatch sticks all ready and labelled. So let's get cracking. First one is Magic Night. It's a really nice dark blue, isn't it? It's a little bit lighter than what it's showing on camera. Really nice. Nice coverage as well. I like it. Then sticking with the blues, we've got Enchanted Blue. Ooh, look at that. It's so sparkly. So this is a reflective. I will show you at the end, guys, what they look like with the flash on and the flash off. That's obviously what it looks like with the flash on. Look at that. I will do another coat of that as well because it is a little bit sheer. So I'll give that a cure and I'll give that a second coat off camera as well. Next up is Tinsel. Oh, that's cram-packed, full of glitter, that is. Beautiful. And then last up for December's collection, House of Reflections, is Inner Light. Again, super sparkly. Gorgeous. You can't see the holographic on here, but it's got some gorgeous colours shining through in that holographic glitter. Beautiful. Right, we're on to the hollows now, guys. So the first one is Sticky Toffee. Eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you need it. Oh guys, that is stunning. Look at that. It just looks so pearly and gorgeous. I love that. Give it a cure. Now, I've already got this one, guys, Lovesick, so I'm not going to bother opening this because I've already swatched it, but I will show you the swatch at the end of the video of this one. Now, this is the one I'm most excited for, Sugar Cookie. Look at that. Wow. That is beautiful. And you know what I like about this, guys? It's slightly transparent, so you could put that over different colours as well and you'd get a different effect. Like, for instance, you could put that over the blue and look at that. Stunning. I like that. Gorgeous. Then we've got Stardust. Guys, has anyone else tried this Stardust? Because I want to know if any of you smelt banana. That smelt like banana to me. Look at that. That is so pretty. Again, I like that it's slightly transparent, so you could use that as a topper. Look at that. Beautiful. Give that a cure. Right, guys, now we're on to the item that I am most excited about. So this is Madam Glam's brand new silver chrome liner gel paint. So you get 8ml glass bottle. As always, you've got your ingredients on the back, you've got your directions on the back. So it does say to cure in an LED light for 1 minute and a UV light for 2 minutes. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Right, guys, you'll see I have given that swatch stick a coat of matte top coat, because I found before with the chrome gel paints, they're always quite watery compared to normal liner gels or gel paints. They're very watery, and you find that they want to slide because of the curve of the swatch stick. They want to slide. So that is a good tip for you there if you're doing any artwork, if you're doing swirls or anything like that. Whether it be in a pot, whether it be a liner gel, always use it over a matte surface. It just makes it much more manageable. Look at that. Look how fine that line is at the end. I really, really like that. I've already got dust landing in it, as I can see. That's going to bug me now. Right, let's give that a cure and we'll see what it cures like, shall we? Right, guys, so that is the silver chrome liner gel all cured. And do you know what I like about this? It cures without a tacky layer. So if you've already finished your nails, you're all top coated, and then you decide that you want to do some kind of nail art design using this chrome liner, you can do your design, cure it, and away you go. You haven't got a top coat over it. I really, really like that. And another reason why I like it as well, I do like to see this shiny chrome over a matte background. So yeah, I'm well happy that's not got a tacky layer. So that's the Silver Chrome Liner Gel. Then we've got December's collection called House of Reflections. Guys, look at those. They are so sparkly, aren't they? You can't really even see the hollow in them like I can. You can see it in the blue a little bit more, but you can't see it in the silver and the gold. Let me try and show you that. Yeah, you can see it a little bit there. Oh, they're so sparkly. So that's what they look like with the flash on. Let me turn the flash off on my phone. And that's what they look like with the flash off. They're still really, really sparkly, aren't they? But just not as sparkly as that. Look at that. That blue is probably my favourite. Enchanted blue. Gorgeous that is. I really like it. I really like it. And they've all had a coat of Madam Glam's No Wipe shiny top coat on the top half, and Madam Glam's velvet matte top coat on the bottom half. Beautiful. I like them. So like I said earlier, I have already got Lovesick, so I didn't bother swatching that one for you today, but I kind of wish I had now because yeah, I got that quite a while ago, so I've swatched it on the old swatch sticks what I used to use, and it's not got one of my fancy labels on it. So yeah, I kind of wish I had swatched that again now, but I probably will do that actually once I finish recording this video. Look at those, guys. Look at that sugar cookie. That sugar cookie is just beautiful. Let me try. Look at that. Oh my days. Look at the hollows. Look at those. That Stardust is really pretty as well. So that Stardust has got a fine gold running through it, and then it's got little small holographic hexes in there as well. It's a really nice gold. It's not that like orangey yellowy gold. It's a really nice light champagne-y gold. The kind of gold that I like. Oh, that sugar cookie. I've definitely got to do something with that very, very soon. In fact, maybe something with that and the silver chrome. I wonder if you'd be able to see that over that. Oh, yeah, definitely gonna have to do something with that sugar cookie first, I think, because that is just stunning. Love all of those. This one, Sticky Toffee, is not really my kind of colour, but it is nice to have colours that is not necessarily your kind of colour. You never know when you're going to need them. So that is everything for today's video, guys. A super sparkly unbox and swatch. Now, I do normally like to do a design at the end of my unboxing videos, but because there were so many gels to get through today, guys, I just wouldn't have had time. The video would have been way too long, but you will see me using these gels in upcoming designs very soon anyway. I'm going to leave a list to all the gels that I've showed you today in my description box below. If there's anything that has taken your fancy and you're interested in, I shall leave the Madam Glam website link pinned in my comments. I have got a massive 35% off discount code for Madam Glam now, guys, which is GG35. I'll pin that in the comments with the website link. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.